Where the heck am I? Oh, well, hey guys, Keithy6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. Happy 4th of July. It's a rainy 4th of July here today in Fairbanks. Whoops, so I thought I'd go out and do a little metal detecting while it's raining. I love metal detecting in the rain. So let's get geared up, hit the playground, see what we can find. Alright, let's hit this playground. I haven't been here in quite a while. Well, first target, bobby pin. Well, next target, a little nut. Try to keep and reuse as many of these things as I can. Nuts, bolts, screws, that sort of stuff. Let's keep looking. Check this out. I kicked this over and I thought I found my first ring. It's a key ring. I like finding the round shapes. Well, next target, ball bearing. I don't know why, but I find a lot of these on the playgrounds. I recently got a real cool slingshot that has a laser on it, and I've been keeping these to use as ammo for it. So, cool find. I just found a little link to a bike chain. Hey, first coin of the day. Mr. Lincoln, penny. Man, these fishers are so good. Just found this little link to a piece of jewelry. Well, just kicked up another ring-like object. Oh, and it's another key ring. Dang it. Well, hopefully I'll get lucky and find something here. I'd love finding the rings, but oh well. I like to find some hot cars or Hot Wheels cars or maybe something like that. Cool. Well, I love getting these type of things off the playground. Sure would hate to step on that in my bare feet out here. Well, my first zipper pull of today. I'm always amazed at how many of these I find. It's like, how are these kids zipping up their coats in the winter? Boy, that sure is a rusty little nail. Alright, so I had a good signal and I started to kick it over. It looks interesting, so I thought I'd record it. Oh, look at that. It says, "I'm the king." I better read this on the back. There's a bunch of writing. I have to put my glasses on. It says made in Italy. It has a girl's name and a guy's name, and it has their phone numbers. Or no, it's social security numbers is what that is. Interesting. I'll have to see if I can find out who that belongs to. Alright guys, let's keep. Well, I just dropped it. I just found this little unicorn charm here. It's pretty cool. Got one more little playground to do that has swings on it, and we'll see what we can find and get out of here. Alright, well, you know you're having a successful hunt when you find Mr. Pull Tab, so I'm glad I found you, buddy. Oh yay! I love finding big money. Sweet. Could find these all day long. Yeah, keep them coming. I'm on a quarter roll now. Sweet. Well, just found my first nickel. I always consider nickels to be really good luck. Find a bunch of nickels, usually that means nobody's been hunting there for a while. Check that out. Well, I think I've hunted this place out pretty good. So let's head home and get dry and see what we found. Well, hey guys, welcome to my roundup. Today we're in what I have nicknamed the metal detecting mothership, my RV. This is what I like to take when we go out and go camping, and it's a great base of operations when you go on expeditions, so pretty nice. So let me show you what I found. So I found a bunch of just crazy metal trash, some ball bearings, nuts, all this rusted metal here. Good to get these little sharp nails out of the playground and these push pins. A lot of aluminum foil, a lot of bobby pins. If those things are worth something, I'd be rich. The best thing I found was this "I am the king" pendant. So I don't know if this belonged to a dad, and then he had his kids' names on the back with their social security numbers. So I won't show that, but a boy and a girl. So if anybody knows who that belongs to, let me know. I found this cool little unicorn pendant. Other than that, I was on a quarter spree. I found 6 quarters, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 10 pennies. And then I found these little key rings here. So it's going to rain the next several days here in Fairbanks, so I am going to go out every day. I think I'm going to go over and hit the Tanana Lakes beach. And that's always a fun place to go metal detecting. I love beach metal detecting. And it's about as close as I can get to the real deal here in Fairbanks. So that or Chena Lakes. So, and then as soon as the rain stops, we'll start going around. I want to go explore some old gold rush sites and go out and have some fun and act like a tourist and go look at some stuff here in town and around Fairbanks. So stay tuned and we'll go have some fun. All right, guys, see you later. Everybody, good luck and happy hunting.